Sir, what is meant by 3D printing? I little bit confused.
Okay, normally by hearing that name itself, it is a little bit confusing. You may see that printed sheets, correct? Newspaper, books, booklets. There we are transferring actually the images to a substrate that is having length and breadth. Image also in the same manner, length and breadth. Okay, that image is converted into dots and that dot is transferred to a paper in 2D printing. But here in 3D printing, a third dimension also come into picture.
Oh.
Apart from length, breadth, height is also coming. Okay, we can see an example. So here, whatever may be your file. See, I download a file. See, you know what is this? What is this?
Burger.
Burger, yeah. So this type of an image design, three-dimensional image is necessary to print. Okay, without this image, it is very difficult to print. Okay, okay. If we receive the file, we want to check the file is okay for print or not. Whether it has some openings, some loose edges. Okay, then it will not able to print. It is very difficult to print. Then we want to make sure that the file is okay for print. So I checked all these files. Okay, now it is ready to print. After printing, see, that means before printing, we want to make sure that the file is pakka for printing. Then file is prepared. Once the file is prepared, we want to make sure that the size is okay for your printing or not. That also, everything is here. You can measure it. See, you can check the angle. Okay, you can check the radius. Everything is possible. Okay, and next one, if you want to cut the file, we can cut it. We can join, and we can extrude if we want something. That all possible. Finally, if we want to print, we have a bed size. Here, there are multiple technologies are available, but what I am using here is a DLP technology. In DLP technology, actually what we are using is a liquid resin. Okay, that contains some UV initiators. What is meant by initiator? When light is falling on it, this particular initiator is become active, and it is a reason to start polymerization reaction. After polymerization, this resin become rigid. This is the basic thing. Okay. See here, for preparing, see all these edges, it is free. It needs some support. Otherwise, it is very difficult to print. So wherever it is lacking some support, we need to create a support. All the green color is support. Like say building construction. We are also, when we are concreting, we are giving some support. Okay, then we are concreting, correct? So like that we are making a platform with the adequate support. And bed size, here the bed size also pakka. Okay, here the green signal is indicating that it is ready for print. Now once it is ready, we send it to cube. So we want to go to the machine now to see what is happening. Okay, come with me. So this particular technology, this is actually FDM technology.
Oh.
Okay, this FDM technology, we are using filaments like this. These are the filaments. So it is melted and coming through a nozzle and it added together making a product.
Oh.
But here in this machine you can see here a liquid vat is there. That is called vat. A tray that contains liquid resin. And at the bottom side of the vat having a transparent sheet through which UV light is coming. We are transferring this particular image, what we prepared for printing here. Now, see, you can see a tray here there, and in which actually that particular product what we send for printing is fixed. You can see a round at the top, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so that means that part is fixed there. Now it start printing. Start printing means each and every one layer, one layer, one layer, one layer. That means before we send this file to here, we cut that particular burger into multiple layers.
Oh.
It may contain 100 layer, it may contain 1000 layer, we don't know. Here it is mentioned something like that. It maximum take 15 minutes to print. Okay, so it is very quick in some cases. We can change the orientation also. Okay, in which many direction we can print. Orientation is also a reason for the strength.
Oh.
If we need a prototype, there is no question. But if we are preparing for a functional part, then the orientation is orientation means in which direction we are printing this. Simple thing. Okay, so it is very easy. We can make many items here. One layer, we said that sometimes it may be 100 layer. So first layer, that is the bottom layer, it will fix on the you can see that multiple pores there. So that is for fixing that first layer.
Oh.
Above that second layer, third layer, fourth layer, fifth layer, like that. Each and every, that is why it dipped sometime in the liquid. Okay.
Okay.
Then light, at that time light will pass to the focused on the correct position. When light fall on that particular layer, it will become hard and attached to the top box or that base. So like that, it will continue up to the finishing stage. So there are multiple type of technology. In some cases, they are using powder type of vat.
Oh.
In powder type, we can make some colors also. Color printing also possible. That powder become the model, then they applied some spray colors on it, whatever may be the color. If it is blue, they apply blue. In that model, that also available, but that is a little bit costly. In powder case, we can use metals also. Different metals can also print in that manner. So we can use biocells, that means living cells for printing. We can use resins or plastics like this, or we can use metal powders. Even gold also we can make. We can use something like wax, that also can print. This machine, in this machine we can print wax also. Okay, so in that manner, layer by layer, it will complete the job. That means three-dimensional object become printed. Okay, so once we printed, we want to colored according to our requirements. Okay, so we want to wait for another 12 more minutes just for after completing this, we want to finish it. We want to make it colored, and then we will come back again.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
See,
Yes.
I brought a burger from the outside.
Oh.
How delicious it is. Are you interested to eat it?
Yes.
Don't go. It is really the product what we printed by using 3D print technology, and we printed it. For your understanding, we keep some space here. See, here it is hollow. What we are making hollow one, and the color of the resin is like this. And the other part we painted in that manner. See how it look like. So we can make anything. If you have a design, we can replicate the same. Okay. The same way we can make the real food also. We can expect within 5 years printed foods.
Yeah.
It will come. So you can imagine if you are going for a bath, before going to the bath, you put a cartridge in the machine and order for some pizza, it will print. Okay. So the technology is a wonderful technology. That is a part of Industry Revolution 4.0. And in that particular technology, 9 technologies are there, but only one technology is remaining with a production based.
Oh.
All others are data management, augmented reality, virtual reality, Many things are there, even cyber security, but related with the production. This is all on technology. You know that during the second industrial revolution, industry located in cities, people are coming to city for working in the to work in the industries. But now, because of this technology, Industrial Revolution 4.0, the future will be decentralization of this type of industries. That means now, if you want a book, you are ordering for Amazon. A single book is printed by a press owner, sent to you, and you will receive that book the next day. Similar way, if you are order for a phone, the same design will be sent to a nearest 3D print shop, and he will print it and he will deliver you within 4 or 5 hours. That will happen within a short span of time. The similar way, you can see, it is actually a model of a real ship, F-37. I think so.
Oh.
I am not remembering the same. But see, all the integrate parts are reproduced in the same manner. All the intricacies are there, but without having any harm. Everything is recreated in the same manner, dicto. So this is the beauty of this particular technology, 3D printing. And this is widely used in many industries, especially automobile.
Oh.
Okay. And also automobile is using in a wide manner, and all other industries for mechanical parts, even in the medical industry, doctors, cinema, education, and aerospace. This industry is booming in a very big way, and this is a future technology for we people.
Okay.
Is it okay for you?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.